Today we're again looking at children's gardening equipment, and today we're looking at Kent & Stowe. We've got these junior ones, Kidz tools. Now the tools are quite good because they've got ash handles, good solid steel blade here, and you're going to dig the hole then, aren't you? Ready for a cucumber. He's putting on his, yes, guess what? Kent & Stowe gloves. And here he goes. There's your trowel. Dig the hole out a little bit more. And now, do you know, that's deep enough. Now, do you know how to get these out of there? Yeah. Right, you put your hand across the top, mind the head. That's it, turn it over. That's it. And now turn it in and pop it in the ground. Bit hard, but that's all right. Now with your trowel, just put a bit of soil around it. Put the label in. Yeah, here you go. Put the pot down there. Put the label next to it. In there. And then put the soil around and push it back. Push it back with your hand all the way around, nice and firm. That's it. And now we're going to dig another one right there. Right, dig another hole. Yep. Nice and deep. That's it, just put the soil on the side. That's it, just pull it up. You're pulling too much up, you're trying to get too much. So you just chop it like that. Alright, now take that bit out and that'll be enough for that other cucumber. Put the soil on that side. Now you've got a hole deep enough now. Okay. Now do the same with that one. So we're planting cucumbers here. They're the mini cucumbers and we're going to grow them up sticks. And at the back, he's chosen to have a melon. So we don't know how we're going to get on with the melon, but we will. Now put a bit of soil on. We'll see how the melon goes. We'll grow it up the fence if we can. Soil around it again. That's it. Push the soil around. Mind the stem of the plant. That's it. Pull a bit of soil from the back. Right. Done. Never make too much fuss over plants because they just get on with it. Now, another hole there we want to put the melon in. That's it. Push it to this way. Now, it's just the right size, this trowel, for a child. So, that'll do. Now you've got to do the same with this one. Now, there's another one for you. We'll take the label out and we'll put that back in. It's melanogan, which should and can, on a warm wall, should be able to produce melons. So let's see you put that in. I'll just put the soil back round. I'll hold the leaf up a bit for you. Soil back round. Don't worry about the leaf, just put the soil back round. That's it, now push it in. Done. That's fine. We'll put the label down the back. Yep. Now, I'd normally, that's fine. Now this is, these are carrots. I'd normally actually sow carrots, but he wanted to get these. So what we do is we just tap them out. And there's 2 carrots in there. Now get your trowel and just dig I'll show you, shall I? I'll do the first one. You literally just like that. And you've got 2 carrots there. So look, you separate, pop it in and put the soil back. Now do you think you can do that? And we do them in a line. So you dig another hole there, little hole. And no, do it this way, like that. There's your hole, there's your plant. Pop it in with that hand. Get it upright. That's it. And push the soil back round like that. And then we get another little plant. Dig another one there. Here, and the front. Just dig a little shallow hole. No, not, that's it. Enough. Now, put those in there. push round it. Now, you can put those in, yeah, in a hole there. And as you can see, the Kenton Stowe trowel works quite well. There's a little fork as well. So if you're doing a bit of other work, you can just work round it, keep your bed nice and tidy. And I think we'll just leave him to carry on planting his carrots.